Hi. Remember the old days when a simple question about the workflow meant scheduling a 30-minute meeting? Some of you are probably still living there. It's a world where collaboration is strictly a synchronous activity tied to a calendar invite. But what if there is a better way to get things done? A way that's faster, more effective, and doesn't require everyone to be online at the same time. In this video, I'll walk you through a game-changing collaboration tool that can help you save hours of time, reduce delays, get your team on the same page faster than ever, and reduce friction in collaboration. For a long time, we tried to solve asynchronous problems with synchronous tools. The order of things used to be meetings first. Then instant messaging arrived, allowing us to ping people to get quick answers. But as our work became more complex, we needed more context. We started to describe things with words, then sending images like in my field, because I'm in product development and I'm dealing with a lot of visuals and artifacts. But images don't tell the full story of a workflow or the situational context before and after an issue. A screenshot of an error message is just a screenshot. It does not show the steps to get there. It does not show the thought process, and this is where collaboration still gets stuck. Then came the revolution of video recording. Tools like Loom, Microsoft Stream, or even ClickUp's built-in screen recording feature, which are game-changing. For me, this happened about 3 years ago. I was so uncomfortable with this idea of having to speak by myself in front of my computer. Of course, camera was not required at that time. But still, for somebody who has been using text and images to communicate and collaborate, it was very awkward. My leader really believed in this value, and at that time I did not yet see it. So it was made required for us to have a screen recording as a part of a job request in a ticket description, and also after the job is done, to complement our submission with this screen recording to walk through what we did. So what is the value there? So in the beginning of a job, before the job is even started, we should have a clear written down description of what needs to be done. So that is always good to get a quick snippets. But sometimes for complex things, when we have sketches and walkthrough and reasonings behind what we want to accomplish, the screen recording gives that additional dimension and explanation that text just does not do. As a result, whoever is gonna pick up this ticket from me will have a much better context and the why behind why we do what we do. The second part, after a job is done, imagine you did your best and you believe that you did everything, which is fair. And you pass the ball to the next person, said, "Hey, I'm done, please check it out." And then this person found that you missed some steps. you miss some features. So how would this screen recording help to alleviate this situation? Let's rewind. Imagine that you did a screen recording before you passed the ball. So by doing a screen recording, you're going to walk through side by side the requirements and also what you did. By sharing your screen, walking through the details of what you did that text cannot do. When you go through this force yourself to go through what you did yourself, and during this process you will find any issues that next person would have discovered for you. But instead of wasting our colleagues' time, we made our work stronger by fixing it before we pass the ball. When we provide this context to the next person, it allows that next person to start from a higher level of understanding about the material, so they don't start from scratch. It takes them also less time to get up to speed. Because imagine that I am already the subject matter expert on something. I know everything about what I did. But for other people who are not as close to the work, they need to pick up context. If you give them 5 pages of document, they need to read these things. But if you give them a quick illustration or walkthrough of whatever that you want this colleague to understand, through your screen recording, they will be able to pick up much more quickly. And also, other people who are not present in a meeting or in a work that you are involved with this one person, because you have a recording that is shareable to others, you don't have to spend any more time to actually spend to create and repeat what you already said, because you already captured this one time and you share it with other people. They get value, they get visibility, and as a team, the collaboration is much better. Again, the difference is night and day. It gives your team the full context without tying them to a meeting. Since then, screen recording has changed my way to collaborate with others, and I could not imagine going back. The benefit of this are huge. You save time because you are no longer waiting for a calendar slot to open up. You reduce delays as team members can respond on their own schedule. And you too. You reduce this back and forth because a single video can answer a dozen questions that a text or image never could. A 2-minute video can replace a 30-minute meeting and a dozen instant back and forth messaging. But these aren't just about convenience. The benefits of screen recording are real and quantifiable. Every time we have these back and forth frictions, it requires us to context switch from what we are doing. And the unnecessary meetings both are silent tax on your organization. We've seen that what seems like a small problem on a daily basis costs a team of 3 people tens of thousands of dollars per year. When you scale the team from 3 people to 10, 100, it costs the organizations more and more. I purposely don't go into details in this video because I plan to go over this calculation in much more detail in a different series that focus on collaboration impact and metrics, to walk through how I got these numbers, which account for both the time that is spent for the specific activity and also the opportunity cost from the context switching we have to do every time we have to reply to these instant messages. This is a side-by-side comparison of how screen recording changed my collaboration effectiveness, and I hope the same for you. It's also important to recognize, however, that screen recording is not a silver bullet. Some topics are just too complex, too nuanced, or too sensitive for a one-way video. For those situations, a live meeting together is absolutely warranted. Your collaboration operating system should recognize this balance. The goal isn't to eliminate meetings altogether. It is to ensure that every meeting you have is a good one, reserved for truly difficult problems or discussions that require real-time back and forth dialogue, and the rest should be handled with a simple video. I want to also share, in case you have not noticed, that this video also is an example of a screen recording where I am sharing and hopefully collaborating and learning together with you. As you can see, I'm not just sharing my screen, I also have my video here at the corner. And I hope that you realize that the value of screen recording is not only about delivering the message but also to collaborate. And hopefully by having this camera on here allow us to connect better and therefore collaborate more effectively. If you imagine that you go back to the beginning of this video and just listen to the audio, please reflect on how much of the information you would receive as well as if you had the video in the first place. For the non-complex topics that words can describe, maybe you will feel no difference. But sometimes visual, especially when dealing with data, could be challenging to digest over just audio. Remember that page where I have a table of metrics of having 3, 10, 100 people and the cost of incidents by week, by month, and by year. If I have to describe each of the elements in a particular screen by just verbal, not only that I have to say a lot of words to describe it, you might not get it also without the visual. Hopefully this illustrates the value of having the screen recording to improve our collaboration and the collaboration you are going to have from this moment forward with your team. In the next video, I will be talking about the specific calculations on how time impacts cost of collaboration, especially when they are ineffective. In the end, it's about choosing the right tool for the job. And for most asynchronous collaboration, a video is the most powerful tool you have. Thank you.